Six-figure blueprint require you to have, it is when you buy the product, you're buying the resale rights to the product. It means this is the thing that you can buy, that you can sell. It's yours. You got the rights for it, and you can buy it. If you are buying a Coke, you don't have the resale rights to sell, to reproduce a Coke or do it like that and put it on Coke, and because you can't do that. Coke is going to be on your case. You can buy the bottle of Coke and resell it as a retailer, but you can't sell the brand of Coke and have the Coke in the bottle and brand it as yourself, because that resale rights belongs to Coke. You must only buy the things from Coke. Same as Kentucky Fried Chicken. You can make a lot of chicken here, but you can't put it into Kentucky and say this is Kentucky and sell it there, because those people have the resale rights. But this product here, you are buying the resale rights. So this is my business. I bought the product, it's my business. So I promote the product. All this money that I make from the product, I can brand this product the way that I want to brand it, and I can sell it. It was my business. I bought the resale rights to the online course, and then I can resell it. Okay, the one unique feature about the resale right is that once you have mastered the course material, once you have mastered, you have the opportunity to resell the course to others, earning lucrative commission on each sale. It opens up to additional streams of income and allows you to leverage your expertise and help others to succeed. It means when you master this course, when you did everything in the course, when you know what to do, if you master the course material, this is the course, if you master that material, then you have the opportunity to resell the course, and then you can make for you open up additional streams of income. Additional streams of income means that you can start other businesses using the same course material.